In the name of Allah, hello guys, it's me Samia from Make Easier HSC Science. HSC 2024 এর জন্য আমি আরেকটা সাজেশন ভিডিও নিয়ে এসেছি। আজকে আমরা দেখব 21টি ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট লেটার যেগুলো 24 ব্যাচের জন্য খুবই জরুরি। যেহেতু তোমাদের এক্সাম সামনেই, তো এগুলো একবার রিভিশন দিয়ে যাবে। তো আমাদের লিস্টে কি কি আছে দেখে। নাম্বার 1, write a letter to your friend giving a short account of the annual prize giving ceremony of your school. Number 2, write a letter to your friend condoling or consoling him on his father's death. Number 3, write a letter describing the importance of physical exercise. Number 4, write a letter to your friend describing how you have celebrated the Poila Boishakh. Number 5, write a letter to your father informing him of your mother's illness. Number 6, write a letter to your friend congratulating him on his brilliant result. Number 7, write a letter about your preparation for the coming SSC exam or HSC exam. Number 8, write a letter to your younger brother advising him to be sincere and attentive to his study. Number 9, write a letter to your friend describing the accident you have witnessed. Number 10, write a letter to your friend discussing the importance of learning English. Number 11, write a letter to your friend telling him about the importance of reading newspaper. Number 12, write a letter to your friend telling him how you have spent the summer vacation. Number 13, write a letter to your friend thanking him for a birthday gift. Number 14, write a letter of sympathy to your sick friend in hospital. Number 15, write a letter on how to improve proficiency in English. Number 16, write a letter to pen friend about food and food habit in Bangladesh. 17, write a letter to your friend about your aim in life. 18, write a letter to your friend describing the bad effect of smoking. Number 19, write a letter to your friend inviting him to join the picnic. Number 20, write a letter to your friend about the importance of games and sports. Number 21, write a letter to your foreign friend telling him about the beauty of Bangladesh. ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই লাইক এবং শেয়ার করবে। আর হ্যাঁ, যদি তোমাদের কোনো ধরনের প্রশ্ন থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই কমেন্টে জানাও। আর ভিডিওটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, এই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে আমাদের পাশে থাকবে। সি ইউ, বাই বাই।